Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Elektra 60s T1 Deliziosa. It came into the shop because it wasn't heating up, and it turned out to be an electrical issue with two components to it. The first one we noticed is that there was no continuity across the safety switch. Basically, this is like a resettable thermostat that disconnects all three of the heating element connections based off of the temperature at this probe. And as you can see here, the actual resetting pin is popped out a little bit too far, and you can see there's a little bit of damage here from the stopper breaking off. So we had to replace that. And then secondly, the contact that controls the heating element and that switches the heating element on and off was also not flipping, and that had to do with it not getting enough voltage to actually flip the contact. The contact was fine, but it turns out the relays that controls the contact in this main CPU wasn't working properly. It was malfunctioning. So we ultimately ended up just replacing the CPU altogether. And yeah, that's about it for the repair of this machine. As you can see here, it's at about 1 bar with the current setting. And yeah, we have hot water. See, we have steam here. We have hot water here. So the boiler is nice and heated up, and you can actually hear that relay a second ago. Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching.